Hi, today we're going to talk about rotations. A rotation is a transformation that turns a figure about a fixed point called the center of rotation. A rotation may be clockwise or counterclockwise, and we're going to do an example. Our first example is the triangle prime BCD is the image of the triangle BCD under a rotation about point C. Determine the angle of rotation. So here we're going to determine the angles of the points of the rotation. So to do that, we're going to need point C. And we want to connect the two same points. The two same points will be prime D and D. So to connect that, we're going to use the C to connect both of them. So I'm going to connect here, and then I'm going to connect here. And we can see that it's like a 90-degree angle. We do this, and we're going clockwise. So it's a negative. So we know that positives, they're not, and then here is a 90. So we can make sure we can use other points. Let's use point C. So we're going to connect point C. And we can also see that it looks like a 90-degree angle. Okay, now we're going to do another example. Okay, so the rectangle prime ABCD, it's the image of the rectangle ABCD under a rotation about point P. So we're going to do the same thing as we did the example before. So let's use point prime C and connect it with point B. Here you can see that it looks like a 30-degree angle, and we're going clockwise, so we know it's negative. Now we're gonna do it with another point. Let's do it with point B. So let's connect point B and point B, and it also seems like a 30-degree angle. And here we can confirm that it's a negative 30.